Welcome back, Internet. Let's get right to it. Does that work? It's not going to be exactly the... I bet there's a difference here. There is a difference here. Because before I do any of this moving around stuff, I need to put the gap in that I put everywhere else. So... well, no, that's a dumb way. I want to click here and there, coincident, and I want this to be, well, let's just make these equal. That's should be way more than I need. Oh, no. Make that equal. Alright. This is equal to lid gap. And I'm going to do an extruded cut through both. That applies to all of these. And these, I suppose, as well. I think it'll cut all of them. Get this out of the way. Get these out of the way. And, yeah, it cut all of them. Alright. Down to there. And I've got a bad sketch there. Can I just suppress it without doing anything? I can. Haha. Alright. And that's a weird thing going on there. But, let's go back to here. Just go to when those started. Those are just a mess in general. Alright. So I'm going to move copy bodies. I'm going to use constraints. That. There. Okay. So then I can do like that. Don't need that. Don't think I need these either. But maybe. And did I need to mirror that? Not necessarily, but it didn't hurt anything, I think. And that pattern doesn't matter at all. Let's see. Let's press that. It's not super useful, actually. You know what? I might just, let's see. Don't need that, don't need that, don't need that, don't need that, don't need that. Suppress all those. That's that. Make a copy of it. Cut. Okay, so let's go back to there. And this can go away as well, I guess. Why am I mirroring multiple things? Don't need to mirror those. Okay, that was weird. Let's show everything and then maybe that'll make some clarity come in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll just hide these so I don't mistakenly grab them. And I will take this, and it's going to be red up, and I guess I want this towards the inside, and nope, undo that. Check. I need to check, first of all, that was a mirrored, so yeah, that's fine. I need a line sticking out and perpendicular. Did I hit parallel? Perpendicular. And there we go. So then this move copy body can make use of that. And okay. And then I just need to take this and say it's down to here, the other way. Okay. And then we'll copy bodies with this. And I want to do this, and that, and then this. Okay. Then take another line, make this one perpendicular as well. And I'm going to say that is equal to layout space divided by 2. And then I can make a new plane using that line. And we'll mirror that. Alright. And then we need 2 more of the inside ones, which I think I can just do that. Alright. Hide this. Hide these. There we go. And then I need to mirror those as well. Alright. Grab all this. And okay. It's good. I know I've got bad equations. Let's save this. And we'll do a collapse. So everything does fit there. And what do we got? Sketch 68 and 69, which probably don't exist, but I will check. Okay. Those do not exist anymore because I've deleted them. And okay. Good deal. Fix that error, all saved up. Alright, and I need to collapse a whole bunch of stuff. I actually do need these out. So hide that. Start pulling them out one in order. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to convert inner loops and outer loops. Do a through all both with this and that. Just going to make a folder out of that one. And then do another one, just keep on showing these one at a time. I can show a couple of them, but convert, and then convert the insides, and extruded cut, through all both, affecting that and that. And we got another folder one, which we can hide. Go on this, convert, extrude a cut, through all both, this and this. And we We can hide that as well. Just keep repeating. Alright. Actually, I do that. I wonder if it would be smarter to do it in a different way. What if... let's see, this would be that one. No, this would be this one. So if I convert those as well, and I'd get that nice multi-cut. There we go. Can't have the ones that are next to each other, but I can have more than one. I don't want to get too many or it's going to freak out. So I'll just stick with that many, I think. And then I can pick the next one. Oh, right. Should take those out as well. Okay, then the next one I want to take out, let's see, these ones with holes I want to do by themselves, I think. Okay, that way I've got the folders. There we go. Then this last one's probably going to give an error. It did. What was expected. Alright, so let's sketch on that and say convert, and convert. We'll do an extrude cut through all both even. And grab those three. Come on. There we go. Oh, it didn't cut any plates though. There we go. Hide that. Pull up another one. Did I not even delete those? I did not even delete those. Hold on. Hide, show, so I can delete them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Go down to here again. Now they're still gone, which is what we want. Show this, sketch on it. Convert two things. And yeah, that's what I want. Extrude cut through all both. Applying to these three bodies. Hide that. Bring this up. I'm gonna sketch on here. And I've got no reason to have these all separate. So this is all these remaining ones could be the same one. Well, no, they can't because they're touching like that. So these ones and these ones, I could do select all inner loops on them too. Do an extruded cut through all both, and be applied to these 11. And that's a big folder one. And hide that folder, show the next one. Wait. Why didn't it do all of them? Did I miss one? Right. Alright. Let's see. This one untouched so far, I guess. Is this one, wait. This one is all the cuts. So this one is still untouched. Good. Alright, do another convert. All inner loops. Gonna do an extruded cut through all both, and this will restrict what it can work with, even if it probably would auto restrict just fine. And didn't like that. Why didn't I like this? Geometric condition. Okay. Let's go through all, just through all. We're starting up there. Okay. That's weird. Can I go through all? No, I cannot. Something about these is not the same as these. They're not. That's very unsettling. I'm just going to delete that. Alright. If I convert these all, there's more of a gap on one than all the others. That's kind of weird, isn't it? How much of a gap is this one? Probably 4. I'm guessing I did double. Did the double. Okay. So I mirrored that plane, which means this sketch I probably made the mistake in. There we go. That should be spaced just right now. Okay. And let us extrude cut through all, like so. And a whole bunch of them this time. Alright, so what else is there left to cut out? There's nothing left to cut out, except for get rid of these. So I only needed 6 of those, but I'm just going to delete the ones I don't use. Alright, so things are getting tricky, but we'll get there in the end. Alright, what's next? So, next thing is kerf, which we could let the laser do, but there's 2 issues with that. First, not all laser software supports kerf compensation. Second, some laser software doesn't always do it right, or is missing some basic features. So, I prefer to, well, it's kind of a pain in the butt to do it in software. I prefer to do it in software. So I am going to basically just intersection curve these, I guess. Well, no, I'll do a convert entities. And I'm going to offset it. Doesn't matter by how much, because I'm going to overwrite it. But first, I need a number to overwrite it with. There we go. I'm going to say that is equal to perf divided by 2. Alright. And then I will, see, I think I'll just cut that through. Alright. Then, I'm going to get on these. I'm going to convert all of these. And I'll do the same here. Okay. So that's panel 1 dealt with as far as curve. Now, the reason I'm doing all this now instead of after I complete these shapes is that it's easier to just pattern them already done and not have to offset after the pattern's done. And now it is time to mix patterns. So what do we need? We need these, I believe. Separate these out. Don't need that note anymore. Alright, and I did all these cuts. All these original cuts, not these ones. And I'm just gonna not erase the originals. One by one. What if I just clear these and click that? There we go. Five. And 29. Wait, that isn't good. 25. Says body move copy 18. Number 13. That doesn't really matter. Then need to hide that. And this one, like so. Delete that. So everything that's been cut on recently gets to be hidden. And these can be hidden as well. I think that was a massive set of mistakes, maybe. body, new copy body 5. Just double check that it's applying the right things. New copy body, new copy body, gloss extrude, no. Oh wait, yeah, that was the original. Then 24, cut extrude 21. No, we don't want that. Suppose we want copy body 18. Then copy body. And we also don't want that. We want move copy body. Yes. Alright. So we don't need any of these anymore. And don't need these subfolders because they're all wrong. They're going to be wrong in a minute. Alright. Then all of these are presumably all wrong too. Alright. 30 is cutting into what? Is that not parametric? Oh no, it is. Okay. So let's see. 30 is this. So I need to find the one that's like that before I go to 30. Yeah, this one. Let me have that one. Okay. And 30 is going to say apply to that. Okay. And 31 is going to say apply to those 4. Alright. So that's okay. Then got this. I don't even see what sketch is. Just 2 circles. This is cut extrude 32. So if I hide all that, cut extrude 32. So those all worked out. Then it's cut extrude 33 is this. If I hide these and roll back, I already had a hole, just not as big. So that works. And then this one is wrong. And what am I doing in this one? Show me the sketch. Come on. Don't make me edit the sketch to see the sketch. Alright, so I'm offsetting a bunch of holes. And what's wrong with that? What's wrong with that is it's all wrong. Everything about that is wrong. Okay. You know what? It's such a mess. I hate to do it, but there we go. Just nuke them. Alright, so got cut extrude 32 and 33. Add to new folder. Cut extrude 30 and 31. Add to new folder. those are the only ones with screw holes, but they're not the only ones with holes. Alright, so if I'll go ahead and hide these right away. I'll just hide that, and hide that, and hide that, and hide that, and then I can work on that one. And there we go. So then this one goes in a folder all by itself. Alright, so then let's hide, 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 and then we'll do this one the same way. What's up with these? Oh, right. So we offset those. Equals kerf divided by 2. Features extruded cut through all. And applying only to that. And add that to a new folder of its own. So let's hide everything, let's show everything, let's hide all the folders. And then hide that, and hide that, and there are fewer to hide every time. There we go. Wait. There are more than that? What are these? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine. So 43, add a new folder. Let's hide everything, show everything, hide the ones in the folders. Alright. Then so this, let's just start from the top. So this is hidden. This is hidden. These are hidden. And this, 1, 2, 3 are hidden. And then these are hidden. Alright, so the last ones is this. Yeah, so where did these come from? This cut, suppress that, and the sketch that created it. And these, let's also suppress that and the sketch that created it. Oh no, what am I doing? I don't need to do that. Just, yeah. So, it was before this here. So we've got that cut and that cut. So cut extrude 25. Let's just hide everything except for that. So that's good. I can work with this. Alright, going to convert all of these and offset all of them. Alright, equals kerf divided by 2. Do an extrude cut through all. And then we will do the outsides of the shapes as well. There we go. Did I offset them inwards? Why would I do that? That should work better. Alright, so we've got 44 and 46. Alright, and we can hide that. And let's see, zoom out, do I even get to see what the sketch looks like? That doesn't help me much. Extrude 29. I think that's the last thing I have to worry about. First these ones inwards, and half the kerf again. Extrude to cut through all. Then do a sketch here and say I want all the insides. I want to offset them all. And I want to cut through all. Kerf 07, so 47 and 48. Alright, so if I hide all that, I show all that, there shouldn't be any plates left. It's just the originals that I'm like keeping kind of as a reference for the time being. They will get probably deleted eventually. Alright. So everything has its kerf applied, and everything's flattened, everything's in place, at least for the time being. And let's see, let me collapse items, and then I still figure throw all this stuff in a folder just to clean it up a little bit. And then equations, let's see what's wrong in here. Sketch 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. Okay, so 91 through 97 are fair game. So and done. And save. Whew! I know it doesn't seem like much, but that was a big part of the job. So I need to, I'll just pick the first one, I guess. This has this part here only. So let's get everything else out of here. Alright. So then I need to repeat the teeth. And this one's kind of weird because some of them are going to be cut and some of them are going to be added back in. But go just draw this tooth and parallel equal, parallel equal, perpendicular equal, and then just equal equal. Alright, so then if I went to take this, convert that down, and I draw on this line, and then up like that, up like that, and across like that. These are parallel. This is perpendicular. And this is equal. Oh, I need two of those actually. These are all parallel and equal. So then I can, for construction, all of this. And I guess I'll just make these equal. Alright. So then, well, what is this part called? Tooth quantity rear? No. Front X? Is that front X? No. It'd be like top teeth count, bottom teeth count wide. Maybe this one? What is this number? Let's see. Seven? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe. Maybe. That way. And make a pattern of a lot of them, and then I can just edit that. So that equals this, I guess. Minus 1 and divided by 2. And all of that minus 2, or minus 1. And then go from there, right there to there. Parallel equal for construction and parallel. I'm thinking that's a bad way to do it. I'm knowing that's a bad way to do it. So I will do it again the right way. Yes to all, yes. Okay, but instead I need to make the first one the actual first one. I don't know why that wasn't obvious the first time I did this. But yeah, need to make the first one. Crazy thought, I know. And then, let's see. If we do this and get a measurement here, And this should be the same thing. If it's not, I'm using the wrong formulas. It's not the same thing. Oh wait, that's not right though. Let's see if this is the same thing. 3.1271. Yep, they are the same thing. So I can get rid of this and that. Do, I guess I want two of these, right? Either side. Do a linear pattern. Alright, let's get rid of this. Linear pattern of 101 going this way. Alright, then I need that. Go from there to there, equals that times 2. And then I need that. My number of pieces, wherever that is. There it is. Equals that minus 1 divided by 2. That's much better. Alright. So I could do those cuts right now, but I've got more that I need to do. So I will do the more. Alright. So we just use these. Might need to use them again, but we just use those. So let's see, this is top tooth quantity front X, maybe? Possibly. Let's see what this is. And go from there. 3.16597403. Okay, that's what we're working with. Okay, so we've got, oh, we want tooth wide. We'll start with that. And then our tooth quantity. We have that equals that minus 1 divided by 2. Let me move. There we go. Let me move more. And then add 1. Okay. And I'll do an extruded cut through all on that. Just to confirm, this is 3.11. This is 3.11. Okay. So then I need the bottom part of the pattern, which we can handle. So this time I'm gonna, instead of making the part that I'm cutting out, I'm making the part that I'm putting in. 101. And I just use that. Is it the same though? I'm not sure. We'll see. Let's see here. So this should be tooth wide. Just make this over here. Put that there. And then go here. 3.1645. I mean, it's close, but it ain't the same. Yeah, they're not the same. So how do we deal with that? Because we got something else. Bottom teeth count, maybe? Oh, front mid. Oh, yes, front mid tooth count. That's it. I think that'll be it. .164555696. Okay. Yes, I want to delete that. Now go from midpoint to midpoint. Say it equals that times 2. And then I need this, which will control the quantity, equals that minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Alright, and is that, we don't need the plus 1. Alright. So that's nice. Because that's a problem right there. How am I going to sort those out parametrically? Okay, so I paused the video to think about it and get a drink, and then I forgot to unpause when I came back. But what I figured out is in the sketch here, I'm just adding these many fingers, and this is all controlled by this formula. There's a formula here somewhere. There it is, this formula, which takes a dimension from here to there, which was from a previous sketch, divides it by the tooth wide, and divides that by 2, makes an integer. So then the most it could ever possibly be is right point on point, which would be fine. And normally it's going to be back just a bit. Okay, so I did that. Then I did a second one, which is just a square patterned all the way across, and I merged it with this, which just mean all the squares that aren't supposed to be independent just kind of don't matter. Alright, so that is that. Then I went ahead and since this was completed, I deleted the thing I was using to reference it. Then did similar thing, just looked up the same stuff to do a cutout there and deleted that too. And then did those and did those. So right now I think I'm going to call it a part there, and I will continue this in future videos that are coming very soon. So I hope you'll join me for those. And in the meantime, goodbye, Internet.